Oh yeah, now it's coming. I think I have told you. I don't know if photo came or not. That's the party, Korean party, whom we have shown you both flat, and they will be making up their mind by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and I will let you know. Husband and wife both came with Mr. Jayed at 4 o'clock on 15th August, and they are living close by. They are just living close by of this building, and they want to shift from that place to here. A, B, C, D and E. Oh, Mr. Jayed, Mr. Jayed, Mr. Jayed, Mr. Jayed. Hello, Jayed. Jayed, Jayed, you are going? They are gone. You can put some few word from your mouth to Mr. Surant. This a video. This video is going to him. So you can put your words के मैं देख लिया है उनको पार्टी को दिखा दिया मैंने अंकल के साथ is going on
कैमरा तो इधर है
you can keep on you can
हाँ मैंने just I have shown your flats my Korean clients and the both flats and now just we are going
yeah speak
thank you so much
uncle came little bit late
really and he needs something woodwork को चाहते हैं कुछ अपना उसमें woodwork कराना अगर वुडवर्क कुछ अच्छा सा हो जाए तो फिर वो लेने के लिए तैयार हैं तो चाहते हैं पहले से आप कंफर्म करना चाहते हैं कि वुडवर्क कैसा है क्या और थोड़ा सा बस ज़्यादा नहीं लाइटिंग एंड वुडवर्क थैंक यू
Sanant in fact what he is asking they want some special woodwork in some room for decoration. Now we don't know their taste. I said if you have some you must take over first then we will discuss with the owner. Then if he allows you can go ahead for woodwork. If you want woodwork get it done from us then that's again his consideration because tomorrow he is Korean, tomorrow another person will come from another country then he won't like it. That's the problem. Mr. Jayed, there's one problem. If we go with his liking, we can make some woodwork. After 2 years, he will vacate it. Another person will come. Pakistani, listen, yaar. Pakistani will come. He will say, "मैं तो ये नहीं चाहिए मेरे को एक वो बना के दो मेरे को ईदगाह." तो फिर क्या करोगे? कल को सरदार जाएगा बोलेगा मुझे गुरुद्वारा बना के दो अंदर. So that is difficult. We want to go little neutral. Whatever he want to let him make out at his own. आप उनको बता दीजिए सर ऐसा है it's not permanent your house. You have to stay for 2 years 3 years.
ये जहाँ भी जाते हैं ना मैंने देखा है जहाँ भी जाते हैं
We will allow him to do whatever he want but this building should not be tampered with. ज़्यादा ख़राब ना हो अपना बनाएं ले जाएं जब जाते हुए that we will accept. But फिर भी कुछ चाहते हैं ऐसा चीज़ तो उस रन से डिस्कस कर लेना आप
ठीक है
दे देंगे ऐसा कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है बट बेसिकली आई एम टेलिंग यू कि इंडिविजुअल टेस्ट से बिल्डिंग नहीं चेंज होती बिल्डिंग का स्ट्रक्चर तो वही रहेगा है जैसे हम इधर हैं इस वर्दी DLF का है मेरा वर्दी तो नहीं है मैं नहीं चेंज कर मेरे को वर्दी ये नहीं रेड पाओ तो उसको रेड चाहिए तो रेड अपनी बना के दे दे इसको अपनी कॉस्ट से तो ये सारी कंपनी का जो कुछ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है उनको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते तो ये है इनको बस करना, बाकी बाकी आप डायरेक्ट लेन देन का बात सीधा करना, मेरे को बीच मत खींचना। हाँ ना, हाँ ओके, बट आई शैल बी हैप्पी इफ यू गिव टू फॉरनर, बोथ बोथ बोथ, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर बोथ। ओके बाय। I have convinced them, and I told to Dad, we cannot allow, we cannot manufacture, make, construct some woodwork special in some room, because taste changes man to man. So if we stay for 2 years, then the kharcha will, where the expenditure will go. So I have refused. We will not go, we will give as it is what you are getting. So hope for the best, we will come to know from. But of course there is some what's it called, little improvement in both, no doubt. I have seen it is not a big work left. Just within 10 days they can give if they want to give. Yes, that room is still smelling. It's not good smell over there in that room, because the seepage is there and it's not dried up. Once we went over there, he was touching his nose. So of course I told him it will be dried up within 10 days. Let us see. Okay, bye. A good day.